If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my hand and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback. Got me out here really looking for the payback. Every song's free to way. Cause that nigga paid the way. Niggas mimicking the city I was raised. Hold along without no homage getting paid. I mix the fruity pebbles with the hint though. Still up on that block but also indoor. Ever since I got it poppin' like a pimple. Everybody tryna be a nigga friend though. Circle tighter than the lifestyle. Family question in my lifestyle. Think my head is swelling cause I'm iced out. Ask me how I sleep, said what the lights out. Ex text me how I sleep, said with the lights off. Tryna get in a position, can't take nights off. I can shower shit and sleep, won't take the ice off. Constant reminder just to never set my sights off. If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my hand and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback.
Y'all guess where I'm at, I'm back at Irwindale. For another one. We are officially here at Irwindale. The first thing I see is at White Body 392. This is nice right there, that's nice. But let's go straight to the line to get our car inspected from the for the drag strip. How you doing? Yeah, you brought the Trackhawk today.
Yes, sir. We're to test this shit out, see what numbers we do, and then we'll upgrade and have more.
You know what's crazy?
What's up?
I think this is my first I've seen it in person.
No way. Really?
Wait, no.
When I got it black, I think. When I was all black, I think.
Yeah, I seen you on the freeway.
Right.
I was going downtown. Damn.
That's right.
Damn.
Yeah, man.
I ain't seen you in a long ass time. First of all.
I know. I've been busy, man. Super busy with work.
No, grinding shit. You both grinding, so shit.
Yeah,
You
I gotta get this motherfucker, see what we gotta do with this. And then get T-Rex ready. And then the Corvette's getting wrapped from SEMA, getting ready to
Yeah, SEMA is finally come back now.
I know.
God.
I'm excited, bro. I've been waiting for it.
That's great.
I don't know what I'm doing this. If I'm gonna turn into a full like race shit or if I'm just gonna turn into a show car too.
And I say show car cause shit, it has a power in it, so you don't really need to do
I know. I was thinking
much.
more like pulley, injectors, E85 and the tube.
That's all you need.
And some wheels, and that's pretty much it.
That's it.
You know?
That's it.
Cause I'm debating about bagging this shit too, and I don't know if I'm going to bag it yet.
Yeah, well, that'll be hard though. That should be hard.
Yeah, you know, I'm thinking of getting rid of some toys this year and start some new ones next year. I want to get a 69 Camaro or Chevelle.
That'll be nice.
I know.
That'll be nice. Yeah, especially the old school. Nobody does them anymore. So everybody is on new school.
On 71 Camaro, 72 Camaro, 40 kind of built, like going by 30 or something.
Damn.
Good numbers on it, good engine. I think we build it up with more turbo, like twin turbos on them, and push it up. Camaro,
That's that big boy stuff.
yeah, I'm trying to get like a full race car for it, you know what I mean? A full race car. You know, just pull this bitch here and just run it. But
Got to. Yeah, cause I'm trying to get a new car, but right now,
yeah, I thought
First time.
you were getting
so I'm trying to get the Benz right now. For the Benzes, this the worst time right now. So
dude, they say they're gonna stop making those V8s, right?
Yeah.
This motherfuckers, I'm not sure if it's just me, but this motherfucker's in for roads, and a lot of motherfuckers want to race on the highway. Motherfuckers be thinking I gotta be right there next to them. Like, bro, like,
it's,
you know, come on, man. You know, if you want to run it, let's get off the freeway and do a dick, you know?
yeah, that's the easy
You
one.
know, motherfuckers like, let's do 40, bro.
Yeah, but after that, yeah, everybody say no. I'm like, fuck that. That's the crazy part. Yeah, that's crazy though.
So you got running right now?
Yeah, last week I ran. I'm so shit, but this time I turned up the boost to max. The damn they're pushing right now like 23 PSI right now. Last week I was only pushing like 18 PSI, so I turned the boost.
Okay. Fuck, I haven't seen that in a minute either, man.
Yeah. That's crazy. Yeah, the car was white. Now it's fucking.
I know, dude, I love it, dog. She's hard.
It's different. Yeah.
How's working?
I'm chilling, grinding.
I got so look, I'm taking that should be done in about maybe 3 weeks.
Yeah.
I'm gonna rewrap this one too, and the T-Rex gonna get wrap and watch once I get there.
I can't wait.
Excited. Yeah, and then
I can't wait at all.
T-Rex gonna wrap, and then this motherfucker gonna get a new wrap look too, and then get some wheels.
Yeah, because the wheels is actually the wheels match the fucking wrap.
Yeah, but we gotta get the race back. I gotta get the weld, man.
Yeah, that's gonna help.
You'll see, man. Like
Yeah. Damn.
yeah, you hearing that?
Damn. God damn, that's what I need.
I was surprised with the numbers I got on the T-Rex from my
Yeah, what is it?
I got like 7 something. Yeah, I was like,
That's not bad.
not bad, bro.
That's not bad at all.
That motherfucker, dog, you gotta honestly just do a good tune.
Yeah, the simple supporting mods, you good. Yeah, it's like
That fucking thing is bad, bro.
the thing is like me personally, like T-Rex is like the perfect like car. You can daily it.
You can daily
have
it,
fun with it.
bro.
You can do anything you want. Yeah, so it's like shit. You don't really need to go like too crazy because once you go too crazy, that ruins the whole.
It ruins that whole thing.
Yeah, so
this one's like you can daily drive him or you can fuck around with him.
yeah, exactly. It's either or.
But I seen a lot of people are doing a lot of nitros on the Straw Hawks now, man, to get more power out of it.
Damn,
But-
nitrous.
Yeah, but they don't last that long either, though, man.
Nah.
Yeah,
Yeah, because the worst cars to try and boost is Scat Pack. Well, obviously I clearly lost. So we got my guy Rambo. He's running right now. So I'm finna get him on the good camera right now. Well, y'all, yeah, one whole ass lane is fucked up, so everybody's literally only running on one lane right now. But last run, first run I ran a pretty much, I think it was damn near 10 flat, but I left my traction on. That's where I fucked up because I kept spinning. This one, I'm gonna turn my traction off. I'm not gonna do a burnout on this run. Just roll around the pedal, obviously, and just go instead of going through the puddle, and doing the burnout, and then going with traction off. I'm gonna go around the pedal. I don't know why I keep saying pedal. I'm gonna go around the puddle, fucking, and not do a burnout and leave traction on. What the fuck, bro? Oh my god, a fucking SI, bro. If it's not one thing, it's another, bro. God damn. I was next. Bro, I'm so pissed right now, bro. Well, y'all, I do want to stay for the burnouts, man, but fuck this shit, man. I'm finna go home, man. I'm about to go home. Man, tonight was a dud, bro. Tonight was a dud. Something was telling me just don't go. Someone's telling me not go, man, but rest in peace to his fucking car though, man. The Civic, man.
If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my hand and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback. Got me out here really looking for the payback. Every song's free to wear, cause that nigga paid the way. Niggas mimicking the city I was raised. Hold along without no homage getting paid. I mix the fruity pebbles with the hint though. Still up on that block but also indoor. Ever since I got it poppin' like a pimple. Everybody tryna be a nigga friend no. Circle tighter than the lifestyle. Family question in my lifestyle. Think my head is swelling cause I'm iced out. Ask me how I sleep, said what the lights out. Text me how I sleep, said with the lights off. Tryna get in a position, can't take nights off. I can shower shit and sleep, won't take the ice off. Constant reminder just to never set my sights off. If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my hand and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback.